How to use FaceApp Offline. First of all, open the FaceApp on your device while you still have an internet connection. This will allow FaceApp to load essential features and filters in advance. Once the filters and tools are loaded, turn off your internet connection or switch to airplane mode. Now you can still use some basic features like applying preloaded filters, making slight edits, and previewing effects on your photos. Keep in mind, not all features work offline, especially those that require server processing like the edge filter or background changes. If you try to use those advanced effects while offline, you will likely see a message asking you to reconnect to the internet. To make the most out of offline mode, preload your favorite filters by tapping on them once while online. They'll be available for basic use later. Once you have made your edits offline, you can save the photo to your gallery without needing an internet connection. Now you know how to use FaceApp offline. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.